Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for your support. Continue to share my channel, guys. Continue to share my videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So I'm doing here is a simple video. Cornmeal porridge. This is less than a cup. This is cornmeal here. I'm gonna mix it in water, so let that stay here there. Let me show you what I'm using first. So we have vanilla, cinnamon powder, condensed milk, lasco, box milk, salt. Alright, please note I normally use 3 milk in my porridge. You can use coconut milk as well. I normally use coconut milk. I do not use this milk. So it's the coconut milk. I use the coconut milk with this milk. So here's the thing, right? I'm going to mix the cornmeal in water, in cold water. I'm gonna mix it before I pour it in the boiling water. So first I'm going to add, let me a spoon, Kel. Half a tablespoon of salt to the water. What I'm doing here now is mixing the cornmeal in water before I add it to the boiling water. Okay guys, so the only thing in the water now is salt. Let me mix this properly. So ensure that it is smooth before you pour it into the pot. So I pour the cornmeal into the boiling water, and you can't just leave your cornmeal like this in the pot. You have to continue to mix it to ensure that there's no lump. So you can see where it's a bit thick in texture. So let me add a little boiling water to it. Okay. So like how it is boiling now. Starts to boil now, so I can turn down the stove. At every 3 minutes interval, I'll come and do this. Like I said, you don't want your porridge to lump. I'm gonna let this boil for at least 15 minutes before I start to add any additional ingredients. Okay guys? So I'm back. This is more than 15 minutes of boiling. Adding half cup box milk. Guys, please note that cornmeal porridge is a porridge that if you are in a hurry, you cannot make it, because cornmeal need boiling time. You don't want to be drinking your cornmeal porridge and pea grain in your mouth, no sir. So see that guys, there's no lump. Adding 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar, cause sorry, why me have vinegar in my mind? Guys, not vinegar, vanilla. Okay, please, my apologies for the misinformation. Vanilla. Oh my god, I use vinegar so often. That's when I when I use the V, it's vinegar come to mind. But sorry, no vinegar guys, vanilla. Alright guys, so the next ingredient is my cinnamon powder. Just sprinkle, not too much, just enough for the flavor. Okay, So as substitute, you can use cinnamon leaf. So you don't have to use cinnamon powder if you don't have cinnamon. If you don't have cinnamon powder, you can use cinnamon leaf. And there's another leaf you can use. I used to see my mother use that a lot in her porridge, and that is called pimento leaf. Next up is Lasco food drink, my favorite flavor, creamy malt. And this is the reason why I use this is for the flavoring part of it, flavoring aspect of it. I just don't want to use pure milk, and you want to make your cornmeal porridge tasty.
Yes, you want it to be tasty. I'm trying to help Mommy to take this out. I'm not going to cook or anything. I'm just helping Mommy to take this out.
Okay guys, so I'm mixing in the Lasco food drink now. I didn't even realize that the video wasn't playing while I'm mixing it in water. So I didn't use the entire pack. Well, this was half pack of Lasco. So let that simmer in. There's only one ingredient left to add. I'm boiling some eggs over the side to eat with my porridge. There's only one ingredient left to add is tin milk, and that's for sweetening. So let me taste my cornmeal so I can get in that smooth taste. And once you taste it and you're not feeling any grain, you know your cornmeal is cooked. Okay guys, so next up I'm adding 3 tablespoons of tin milk to this. So no sugar. This is the sugar. This is the sweetening. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't you think that's a lot, Mommy?
No, it's not a lot because I'm not putting any sugar in it. Okay?
But the tin milk's very sweet.
Yeah, but it's a lot of porridge.
And you're going to waste it.
Guys, there's one thing that you can put in this as well that give you a great there's another thing that give it a great flavor is nutmeg. I don't have any nutmeg today, so please you can grate your nutmeg in this and it gives it a fantastic flavor. Even though you're using the cinnamon powder, you can still add it. There you go guys, my cornmeal porridge all done. There you go guys, serve with boiled eggs and toast.